This is a job presentation of Harvest Natural Resources, Inc. It's a New York Stock Exchange listed company trading under ticker HNR. You can see by this chart in 2013, stock has had two large gaps down. Was trading up around $10 a share. First gap down chopped away about 40% of that value. Then another gap down, cut it in half again. So it's all the way down around $3. See, it closed on Tuesday at $3.35 on about average volume, about 293,000 shares traded. It's one of those higher risk bottom plays because I see a definitive support level. But in these last two occasions, that support level didn't give somebody a chance to get out. Gapped right down through it. I don't know fundamentally what went on. This is just a technical look at the chart. But I do see that the Bollinger Bands are very tight again. And the price is trading in a real tight range. So we're just going to keep this on radar as a technical stock to watch. To see if it's got an upward push in it and try and fill some of these gaps that are left open. Now we'll notice right off, the MACD is trending back towards zero. 12 riding on top of the 26. Some people refer to that as the fast line leading the slow line. The key point for me is going to be to see that MACD break through zero. It's right about to that point where it's a make or break time. See if it's going to take on some bullishness and break to the north side of zero, or see if it's going to bounce off of it and head back down lower, in which case the odds are really great this bottom support's going to fall through again. Interestingly enough, the slow stow is holding over top of 50, but you kind of have to read that for what it is, in the sense that over the last few weeks, that slow stow is trending downward. But again, reflective of a make or break type of moment. See if this slow stow is going to break back down through 50, go much more bearish, or if it's going to try and hook upward and coincide with this MACD trying to break through zero to show some bullishness in the play. Similarly, money flow index trending upward, registering right at 50, which is not a be-all end-all, but a break through 50 is a sign of bullishness in the chart, to show that people are paying higher prices for the stock. RSI also slowly edging upward, registering about a 44. Again, I'll be looking for that break of 50. Someplace it hasn't been in quite a long time is above that 50 mark to show any signs of bullish momentum in the play. So it's a fair assessment to say that the indicators are showing some signs of bullishness, although they technically haven't broken through into truly bullish modes. All that aside, I'd have a bottom support set right there at $3. See the stock closed at $3.35. A break through that point, and for me it's just a walk away from it, wait for it to try and set up again. That bottom support's a pretty important level for me. Now to the upside, a little bit of resistance comes into play at about $3.50, and that's going to remain a pretty stout area of resistance all the way up to $4. Of course, then beyond that, I'm looking for gaps to start to get filled, which shows the upside potential. That's about a 30% move to go up there and fill that first gap, and that's the risk-reward mentality of these bottom plays like this. Of course, the next level is going to be filling that next gap up to around $9. Obviously, just a huge upside from current levels. And I'm not worried about something like that happening tomorrow. This type of play is look for a scalp, some sort of technical reversal, to see if these indicators are going to play themselves out a little bit and provide some sort of profitable technical bounce. Interesting chart. Again, a little bit speculative because of the way it's gapped through bottom support. But right now, that's a pretty firm level at $3. I'd watch for that. Increases in volume to show some buying pressure coming in. And if it can gain a little bit of momentum, I'd look forward to at least try and come up and fill this first gap. Those are the things that I'd be looking for in the HNR chart. But as always, it's merely my interpretation. I'm not a financial consultant. Strongly encourage you to do your own proper due diligence. Consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Past performance is not a guarantee of future results. Please visit the allpennystocks.com website to view the full disclaimer disclosure. And do not base any investment decisions on any material found on the website and/or video chart. No person employed by All Penny Stocks, registered investment advisor, licensed broker dealer. Thank you for watching. Trade smart.